These are my top 5 family road trip essentials. Starting off with wee bags, if you can fit it, a travel potty, sick bags, small vacuum cleaner, disinfecting wipes, and car trash cans. We've owned the van for 5 years now, and we've put almost 150,000 miles on it. We've hit 3 corners of the United States, and even before owning the van, my wife and I road tripped extensively. And so everything here is useful for individuals, couples, but especially families. So starting off with the wee bag, or the personal urinary bag, this is typically a small plastic bag with some form of absorbent material in it, either a powder or maybe a pad, and a contoured top and a sealable upper portion. And at some point, there's probably going to be a situation where you're going to be stopped in gridlock traffic for long periods of time, and these are essential. It doesn't have to be an emergency situation for these to come into handy, especially if you have young kids. You might just be between rest stops. You might be between gas stations on a long stretch of highway. And personally, I'd rather not ask a 4 or a 5-year-old to go use the side of the road, especially if it's a busy highway. And so these are cheap, easy insurance. In addition, not only are they useful for, for urinary purposes, but in a clutch, they can also be used as sick bags. And so, this is a pack of 10, and it's the same size as a notebook, if that. And so just highly useful. And again, cheap insurance. In addition to the wee bags, we choose to have a foldable, collapsible travel potty. We don't have a dedicated bathroom in the van, and this would be especially useful if you have a minivan or maybe a station wagon, or it might be a little difficult in a small car. That's why I said if you have space for it. But this collapses down, you open the lid, and then you pair it with something like these double duty bags, which have 2 liners and an absorbent material in the bottom. And especially if you have, if you have any women in the family, then young girls, it's a whole lot easier to use this. And then if you have a floor mat, it just adds to the protection. And this can be a whole lot more comfortable just mentally for them, especially if you have young girls. Trying to get a young child to use one of the wee bags can be difficult. And so this could be a whole lot more comfortable for them. So if you are doing a van build out and you're conscious of space, if you're in a smaller platform like we are, then this is how our emergency travel potty folds down. And this is small enough where this goes in the cabinet and this sits behind the girl seats. So next up is the emesis, or sick bags. And so this is a long plastic bag with a circular top, and then it has these notches cut into it, so that way when the bag is finished being used, you can twist it and lock it shut. And even though you can use the wee bags in case somebody gets sick, they do take up just a little bit more space. And I find that with how small the emesis or sick bags are, I can stuff these into the kids' armrests or seat back pockets just in easy reach. I can keep a couple in the back of the van. Not only are these great for if somebody gets car sick or if they pick up a bug on the road, but also if they just have a runny nose. Great place to store used tissues, and that way whoever has the runny nose can keep their germs to themselves. When they're done, when it's full of tissues, lock it off and it goes into the next gas station trash can. For a couple extra pennies, I picked up this one with clouds and unicorns on it, make it seem a little bit less medical for my kids. And this came in a pack of 24. And so, again, cheap insurance. Next up is a good vacuum cleaner. And this might be overkill for your situation, but for me, all of my tools are DeWalt. I keep a DeWalt impact driver in my van. That way, if I need to, I can zip through getting a flat tire off. And so it makes sense for me to just keep within the ecosystem. This is their smallest vacuum cleaner that I've found yet. and it comes with this accessory bag. And so it's got an extended hose, a couple other attachments. And I find that being able to readily tidy up after the kids and after the passengers just makes a world of difference when you're on day 3 or day 4 of a road trip where, you know, maybe you've been eating along the way, things are just starting to accumulate, and it can really keep that living space just feeling fresh and tidy. Do you need to have a dedicated vacuum cleaner in your van? Not necessarily. You could use a gas station vacuum cleaner, car wash vacuum cleaner. I like having one as one of my packed items. I find it super useful. I use it all the time. I find that getting to the car wash is out of the way, and so I'd rather have my own that I can just grab and use immediately. Next up is your choice of disinfecting wet wipes. And I would also recommend pairing this with just, you know, your standard paper towels to have on hand. But found these recently at Home Depot. I've been using them for 2 to 3 months now. Previously, I've used the standard like Clorox style wipes. And what I like about these are they are significantly larger, and they also seem to last a lot longer. So rather than having to go through, you know, 3 or 4 of the smaller Clorox style wipes, this is a larger wipe that I really only need 1 of. And that's why you can tell I still have most of the pack. And the lid, I keep the plastic still on it just to keep the moisture locked in, and no moisture loss. So I've been very happy with these. And finally, individual trash cans throughout the vehicle. I think these are a huge step up from just using loose bags that you're collecting from the grocery store or from the gas station. It helps keep things very tidy in the vehicle. If you're like us and you travel by stomach and you stop and get coffee and pastries and whatnot, great place to, you know, toss away the wrapper, chewing gum, things of that nature. And given that it's a dedicated trash can, you don't have the loose bags, you know, loose food bags, loose grocery bags, just kind of floating around the vehicle. And it can make a huge difference for just keeping things tidy, reducing your stress level. And, you know, as they say, everything has a place, everything in its place. And so having it a dedicated spot to store loose trash can make a huge difference. So parting thought, if you choose to do the travel potty, you know, we also keep an accessory container along with it where we have extra absorbent powder, some toilet paper. You know, we can stash an extra double duty bag in here too. But these are the top 5 items that we prioritize having on every trip we take. And honestly, these things live in the van 24/7. That way we have them on hand in case any situation arises. Maybe we're downtown and we can't find a public restroom, or maybe it's late at night, we've left dinner, we're trying to head home, and somebody needs to use the restroom. Then we're covered, and we're not asking a small child to, you know, hold it for another 20, 30 minutes until we get home, risking an accident or having them just be miserably uncomfortable. So with that, what do you keep on hand? Is there anything in here that you would disagree with or that you would prioritize when you road trip? But otherwise, appreciate you tuning in, and hope to see you in the next video.